Where's Kyle? Where's Kyle? There's Kyle. Are you laying in front of the fan, buddy? You gonna help me work in the yard, Ty? No, huh? Looks like too much work. I agree. Looking good, buddy. Hey, Beatrice. Everybody's going in to lay by the fan. What's with you guys? You big sissies. Last shoe, what are you doing? Not much, huh? Okay. Rocky, do not eat the mulch. Let's go see who's in here. There he is. Did you want to go in, Ty? Are you too hot? There's Mr. Kyle in front of the fan.